So we are here again. This time we are in San Francisco coffee. We got a big glass panel with daylight coming in, so we got good lighting. So here we have a Yashica Minister fixed lens rangefinder camera. Came out in the 1960. The Minister series, they had a few. They have this one. This is the first one. The photocell is outside this window, and it is lower than this. The second one, the Minister 2, they had this photocell in the same box with this, in the same straight line. Then they have the Minister D. Instead of using the selenium meter, they have a CDS photocell. So there were 3 ministers, but this is the first one. For its time, 1960, it's still very solid, very well made, and a bit of the quirkiness. The rewind crank is down here, so to activate, you got to turn the at once from A at once to turn to R. Then this will pop out, and then you crank in this direction. So what happened? When you crank, there's a shaft that runs through the end, and you will drive the rewind fork. So it's done this way. So they have many different ways of doing the rewind. So this is how it's done. So to put it back, we turn it back to A and push it in, and then that's it. Then the wheel on top will tell you when it's at one sync. So if we put it to R and pop up and we crank, you see this red dot will spin. That means the rewind is activated. Okay, this red dot is spinning. Okay, so this is standard. Put the film cassette, take up spool, the sprocket wheel, the pressure plate. And this one, in the early days, they used actually some kind of felt. Now, in fact, this one, they don't even have any felt. There's a groove. Here is the tongue, and here's the groove. So the groove and the tongue, they sit like that. So it's a very effective light trap. Without any sponge or anything, it works. Then it covers, lock it. Then of course, rangefinder fixed lens. You got a focusing tab. It allows you to focus down to 0.8 meters to infinity. And you have this shutter, least shutter speed from 1/500 to 1 second with B. And like the old camera, they are all interlock, so you can just turn the ring and they give you the same exposure, or you can do it manually. So the light meter here is a guide. So this light meter will aim against the light, and you see the deflection and read off the light value number 13. So you set the light value number on the lens barrel. So that's how it works. The frame counter is self-resetting, not manual. You have a cold shoe. You've got a rangefinder, parallax adjustment. So everything works. Flash, got the PC socket for the flash, self-timer. So everything is standard for the rangefinder. Solid build, 45mm f2.8 lens. Yashica Minister. This one, if you are a minister, you should buy one. Yashica Minister.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.